He looks like a trucker. Michael Jackson ain't had nothing on you. Yeah, let's see you do that one.
This is the boys watching Seven Brides for Seven Brothers.
Why do you do that?
November 20th, 2009. Andrew's really enjoying it. Apparently Joseph is too.
What was in that cider?
Dad's on.
Dan's deer hunting. And we've got Grandma and Becky and Nancy here. And Uncle Dave.
All you folks who come from far and wide, Henry here.